Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of the STI. So for today, or at least this week, I will attempt to finally wrap this car. I got the wrap right here, and yeah, so I already took apart everything on the car except I still need to take off the mirrors and the whole door handles and these rain guard things and the spoiler, and I still gotta take off the APR stuff and this badge right here. So I'm gonna attempt to wrap this car. So I know you guys can't wish me luck right now because you guys will probably watch this when I'm done, but I'm gonna wish myself good luck and hopefully I don't mess this up. The only thing that I see that I will probably have trouble with is the front and rear and the side skirts. The fenders don't look too bad. The doors, not too bad. That quarter panel might be a pain, but other than that, and the trunk maybe might be a pain, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, the color that I'm gonna be wrapping the car, I got this from Paradox Wraps, and I'm wrapping it yellow. It's sunflower yellow, so crystal sunflower yellow. So let's see how it looks on the car, and let me know what you guys think when I'm done. Hopefully I won't do a time lapse, maybe some parts, but I'm not going to be recording everything obviously because I know this is going to take a very long time and it'll be too much of a video to be doing this stuff. It'll just be a little bit of time lapse here and there, but yeah, so let's get this started guys. Well, first I'm going to wash car, clear bar the car, then remove the spoiler, remove the trunk stuff. We'll actually remove the stuff, and then the spoiler last obviously. We'll remove the APR and remove the badges and stuff, and then the stickers I have on the side skirt over there on that side, and that's pretty much it. So let me take those badges off real quick and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I got the APR thing off and I got the STI emblem off. So now I'm just left to wash the car. Alright. And then I can get started on the measuring and probably start freaking wrapping this car. After I take off the door handles obviously and the door mirrors. Other than that, let's go. See how it goes. Alright, let me just wash the car guys and then we'll get started on this. I am almost done. Now I just need the front bumper, back bumper, and the door handles and the little vent like last time. But I have finished the trunk, this side, and this side is completely done. So this is how it's gonna look when it's done. Door handles and everything. Got the rain guard back on. Yeah. So this is my first time ever wrapping a car. And I've done the hood, I mean the roof like about 3 times. But I gotta say, for my first time, this came out pretty good. I mean, there are kind of wrinkles somewhere in there, shortcuts a little bit, but overall, I mean, you won't see them unless I point them out. Alright guys, it's been about 2 days now since the last time I recorded, but I knocked out some more stuff. I got both sides done now. Everything's back together on this side. Everything's back together on the other side. I did the trunk and finally the bumper. The one I was missing, one of the bumpers. All that's left is the front bumper and the front bumper, and then putting everything back on. So I am literally done with this car. It came out pretty good for my first time. I'm not gonna say I'm a professional or anything, obviously I'm not, but me doing it, yeah, this is a success. So, and the rat that I'm using is from Paradox Wraps, Paradox Wraps, and I ordered the 60 foot, and I still have this much left, and I already have the front bumper rolled up over there inside the car, so that's pretty much it. And I still have enough to do probably a quarter panel, maybe one whole side, and maybe like 10 feet left after that. So I don't know, it's probably because I'm not wrapping the roof or the hood, so that's probably why I have some left over too. So 60 foot is enough, especially if you mess up, you can do it again. But I did not mess up any pieces at all, except the first time I did the fender. I did throw that one away. But after that, I was able to do them all. And I didn't waste any more. So, came out good. Not perfect, but good. So, I am happy with the results. So now I'm just gonna turn the car around and do the front bumper. I am done. I put everything back together. Sorry I couldn't film everything. I mean, if you guys want to look at Paradox wraps, that's where I learned most of how he wraps. Except I did take everything apart. He doesn't do it because I don't know how to do that. That's too hard. I have to take it off because I don't know how to cut around things. So he's pretty good. But he has a lot of cars. He does a lot of cars. So, and CK Raps, I think that's the other YouTuber that I've been watching. He also, I learned from him. So, you know, YouTube, it works. Other than that, I mean, the only thing I needed was the shark fin, which I already finished just now. It took me like 15 minutes to put down this thing. I thought this thing was gonna give me more of a pain, but it's perfect. But other than the freaking shark fin, everything else is done. I might order some door handles because these are not the best door handles. I mean, these ones came out back good, but the ones back here, I can feel the wrap coming up. I might redo them. I have plenty of wrap for that anyways. I already did put the splats back on. The only thing I need to do is put on my rear view. My rear spoiler. Looks kind of green, but it's not green, guys. But yeah, it is done. Tail lights are on. My little emblem is on, the STI emblem. I don't know if I'm gonna put that on. I might. I don't like too much badging. And plus it already has STI on both sides, so. Yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna put the shark fin back on and get the spoiler on and leave it outside for a couple hours and try to fix whatever pops up. I know the corners of my side skirt, that's popping up a little bit, but I mean, I love how the front bumper came out though. That came out pretty good, no issues. It was pretty hard. Overall, for my first time wrapping a car, this came out cherry. It has been a long process, and well, it feels like a long process, but overall it was only like 30 hours. So you have to give yourself a week to do a car, I would say, because the thing that takes the most is probably disassembling and reassembling again. So yeah, I didn't do the hood. I'm gonna leave that carbon. I'm gonna leave the top black. So that's why I was left over with this much roll. Probably enough to do another quarter panel. Yeah, overall it came out perfect, guys. What do you guys think? If you guys like what you see, let me know. I know I have some followers that like the silver, but especially on my Instagram, but yellow is the way to go now. But yeah, everything came out good, guys. I am so happy by the way this turned out. I might have to do the gas cap again, like I said too, because I just cut it. You can't see any silver or anything, a little bit, but it's not that bad. So for away, you can't even tell. So I might just leave that. But other than the door handles, I have to order some carbon fiber replacements for those and get those covered, because I really don't like the way the door handles came out. So yeah, let me put the shark fin back on and get this car out of here. And then I'll be pretty much ending this video with, I'll probably do a cinematic at the end, show you how the car looks outside in the sun. So, well, not in the sun, but outside though. But yeah, with the spoiler on already too. So I can't wait to put that on, and that's all that's left. So yeah, all right guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.